Hey guys, what is up? Day Trade Jeffrey here with a new market update. The last 2 days have been pretty bearish. We've had a decent dump and right now we have just bounced on my target and I am super fucking proud of myself. Just look at this, guys. Look at this. Do you see this? This is my target, 8200 according to the last live stream, 8214, and we touched it just barely, but we did. So this has truly been a sniper shot. The way I look at this is that we might still actually continue to go down from here, as you can see, and we're just going to do this on the hourly. As you can see, we did not really manage to break resistance here. There we go. It should be something like this, and we're still below. Is that really a problem? No, I don't think so. I think we're just either going to accumulate here and breach resistance, continue our journey upwards, or we might have to go to 7800, which is the 618 Fibonacci extension, basically bringing us to the strongest Fibonacci level, which really should hold. If this level doesn't hold, 7800, then I might actually expect a dump all the way down to 5000. That being said, it's pretty unlikely that we are actually going there. The way I see it is as follows. We'll just draw out support. So we've got support here. Let me just amend this. Okay, going to remove all the clutter. Then we have resistance. And I'm going to change the resistance as follows. Here, remove targets, and you know, it might be quite likely that we are making A, B, C, D, E, Elliott triangle wave. If this is the case, then I strongly believe we are gonna go and continue our journey to the moon. So either way, it doesn't matter what we do, I'm going to remain bullish, especially since there is just so much new money flowing into the market, and I'm talking big money. One more, if we look at the RSI right here, you can see resistance shouldn't take too long to break, right? Maybe one more week at max, 5 days, something like that, and then we can continue up. So to the reason why we are all here, which is altcoins. Obviously I've been saying it for a month or two now. Buy alts. Alts are going to be crazy in the coming 3, 4, 5 months. For Ethereum, we have been doing really well, and I would like to do this on Bittrex. Actually, let's go look at the USD chart for Ethereum. Actually, I think that might provide a little bit more clarity. So as I've said in my previous live streams, we made our buys, or well, I made my buys, I don't know if you followed me, right here at 400 USD. We broke through resistance and now we are retesting it. Basically this means that I do not expect Ethereum to go much lower. We might go to 570 USD, which also is a very big support now. But there is no way in hell we are going back to 400. Therefore I am holding my horses. I'm just going to sit and wait this one out until we reach my target of 1700 USD and maybe even 2600 USD. But this really depends on Bitcoin and the general market sentiment. Can we make another alt party? Because believe it or not, X3 is not an alt party, it's just a pre-pump. You know, real alt parties are 10x, 50x, even up to 100x. That's what alt season is all about. In short, Ethereum, I'm bullish. I'm going to wait this one out. If you have not entered yet, 570 USD might be a great price to get your position up. And you know, you don't want to miss this, seriously. On to EOS. For the ones following me on Twitter, I have sold my EOS position right here at $22. You know, Reason being, I believe it can go higher. Like, seriously, I truly believe that. But, you know, my buy-in price was $1.30. Satoshi wise, that should be like 13,000 Satoshis. You know, right now we are at 160,000 Satoshis. This is a massive profit. Sold 80% of my position, made a big dump, and just got it over with. You know, I wanted to have this money to get into new positions. Now, what is this new position? It's called NULS. I've shared it in my previous live streams. If you didn't buy, then you might be very sad right now. Holy fucking shit. Oh god, seriously, everything's freezing up here. So it does that sometimes, I'm sorry. NULS has been absolutely mooning during the Bitcoin dump. Can you believe it? I made a big stack of Bitcoins during the dump, and you know, I hope you did as well. This is not a recommendation to buy everything I buy, absolutely not. Do your own research, please. If I, you know, get into a position that you absolutely dislike, don't enter the position. You know, do your own research, make your own trades. That being said, I am very happy with the results. Right now we are creating a cup and handle. Let's see. Here, arc, let's make a cup. This should be the cup, something like this, you know, here and here. Then we are going to create a handle, most likely, you know, possibly all the way down to 44,000 Satoshis, or maybe 50,000 Satoshis. I'm gonna guess 44,000 Satoshis is going to be the handle, and from there we are gonna get an absolute moonshot, and I'm 99.9% sure that this is going to happen, all the way up to 100,000 Satoshis. I will take profit there. I will not sell all of my position because NULS is a small market cap, you know, compared to other smart contract platforms like Ethereum, EOS, ICO, I don't know, all these smart contract platforms. This one is relatively small, so I think it has 10x potential when the real alt party starts. So I will keep half my back. Okay, so I'm going to sell half for a 3x, basically getting in my profits already, and I'm gonna leave the rest to fly, basically, if I'm lucky. If it fails, you know, no risk, because I already took profits. I took out more than I put in, and that's the way I like to trade, you know. I like to keep a small percentage in case it really does go to the moon, and then without any risk, basically. You know, so for NULS, I am super excited. Last one, because I'm really going to keep this short. I am super busy. In 3 weeks, well, actually in 2 weeks, I will showcase my new office, which is going to be absolutely amazing. I'm super blessed. I'm very happy with where we are now, and you know how far we've come. So for LUX, this one is rather simple. You know, we have support right here, and we had a resistance going on which has just been broken. So I'm gonna be bullish, you know, even though we have yet to complete this triangle. I'm gonna be bullish here, and I am going to say moon soon. So in short, where is it? Here, triangle wave 1, B, C, D, E, and then on our way basically to a new all-time high. Target for this new all-time high, just going to drag my Fibonacci extensions right here. First target for this new all-time high is going to be all the way up here, 600,000 Satoshis, you know, so that's 6x from where we are now. I truly believe in LUX. It's a great team, it's a great coin. Only thing they have against them is that they are not on a major exchange yet, but I believe eventually they will be, you know, and by then we're all gonna be shit rich from this shit. So I'm super excited. I hope you are too. I'm gonna be active on Twitter. If you need anything, just give a shout out. In the description there is a link to my private group. It's free to join. You know, we have both a paid section and a free section. There's awesome people in there, so make sure to join. Also, if you could subscribe, I would really appreciate that, because I'm trying to grow my YouTube, putting a lot of time and effort into this, and all I need back is one subscribe and maybe a comment or a like if you really like my live streams or my videos. Depends on what I'm doing actually. So thanks for watching, and I wish you a very profitable week.